please see this question, sir. Again, a very, very good question. Everyone, please keep on listening to all the problem what I take in today's class, sir. On selling 17 articles for 720 rupees. That means totally I am selling 17 articles. That is the meaning of first statement. Totally I am selling 17 articles. On selling 17 articles for 720 rupees, a shopkeeper loses the cost price of 5 articles. A shopkeeper loses the cost price of 5 articles. Find the cost price of each article. Find the cost price of each article. Now, to make it very, very easy for you people, I will assume that let the cost price of one article, let the cost price of one article be 1 rupee. Everyone listen carefully, sir. Let the cost price of one article be 1 rupee. What is that they are saying you in this question? They are saying that on selling 17 articles, if one article is costing 1 rupee, on selling 17 articles, that means I want to sell 17 articles. First thing is, if I want to sell 17 articles, I should purchase 17 articles initially, right? So cost price of one article, if it is 1 rupee, cost price of 17 articles will be 17 rupees. Common sense should say as this statement, right? Cost price of 17 articles should be 17 rupees. Now, I want to sell these 17 articles for 720 rupees. Whatever it is, forget about that. A shopkeeper loses the cost price of 5 articles. A shopkeeper will lose the cost price of 5 article. How much he is losing? That means the loss is nothing but cost price of 5 articles. One article is 1 rupee, 5 article is 5 rupees. That means 5 rupees loss. That means can I say that the selling price is cost price I purchased is for 17 rupees. I am having 5 rupees loss. That means the selling price should be how much? Selling price should be 17 minus 5. It is 12 rupees. But according to the question, selling price is not 12. Selling price is 720 rupees. 12 is becoming 720. Multiply by 60. Find the cost price of each article. Cost price of one article is 1 rupee. That they are asking how much it is totally. That also multiply by 60. 1 into 60 is 60. No formulas is required to solve any question what we use. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people. For one article, I will pay 1 rupee and purchase in some other shop. So I also purchased 17 articles. So I paid 17 rupees. So that 17 articles I should sell it. But when I am selling that 17 articles, I am having loss of 5 articles. One article 1 rupee. 5 article 5 rupee loss. That means I sold it for 12 rupees. Question says 720 into 60 into 60. Now please see the next question. Your question is, if a shopkeeper sold 34 articles for 1 rupee, he will lose 40%. That means if a shopkeeper sold 34 articles for 1 rupee, he will lose 40%. They are saying that selling price of 34 articles, it is nothing but 1 rupee. Selling price of 34 article is 1 rupee. In this process, he will lose 40%. This is what is given in the first statement. Your second statement says, how many articles should he sell for 1 rupee? Selling price of how many articles should happen for 1 rupee so that the profit will be 20%. Profit percentage will be 20% in this case. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Now, everyone just keep on listening to this problem, sir. Everyone please listen to this problem very, very carefully. Can I say that suppose if it is the price which I am writing here, and suppose if it is the article which I am writing here. Now, it is given in the question that for 34 articles, I am selling at 1 rupee price, right? For 34 articles, I am selling at 1 rupee price. If this is the scenario, I am losing 40% in the transaction. What is the meaning of losing 40%? Losing 40% is nothing but it is 60% what I have with me. I have 60% in my what is that? I have 60% in my pocket. If I have 60% in my pocket, that means that I lost another 40% gaining. I lost another 40% gaining. That means if my pocket is having 60%, then the price will be 1 rupee for 34 articles. Now the question is, if the profit is 20%, that means 100% is what I have. On that 100%, 20% profit. That means totally I have 120%. 60 is becoming 120. Multiply by 2. 1 also multiply by 2. 1 into 2 is 2 rupees. That means, can I say that how many articles should he sell in 1 rupee is the question. How many articles should he sell in 1 rupee is the question, so that he will have 20% profit. For 1 rupee selling price, he has to sell some articles for 2 rupee selling price. That means 2 rupees is not the question. Question is for 1 rupee. It is divided by 2. 34 also divided by 2. 34 divided by 2 is, he should sell 17 articles for 1 rupee, so that he will have 20% profit. Answer for this question is 17 articles. Again, a very easy way of solving question. Answer for this question is 17 articles he should sell in 1 rupee, so that he will make 20% profit. I hope the idea is very clear for you people. Samir Roy says 17, which is absolutely right, sir. Whatever you have answered is absolutely right. Kindly avoid commenting the answers, so that we will not have our live chat with too many answers.